Alright, y'all, so I was just in there talking to the manager. I heard one of you guys who watch my videos is looking for the stuff and coming trying to buy them from here. Hey man, calm down, buddy. Look what I found. Y'all see what they selling for, bruh? After tax, I paid $21 and some change. I got 4 pairs. Let's go. That shoe right here, bro. You guys are coming in here and trying to steal my deals? Come on, bro. Come on. I'm not mad at you guys. It's all good, man. So that means I just gotta delay the videos out a little bit later until I clear out all the stores. Don't hate me for it, but it's just I know it's a lot of people from my city watching, so I gotta chill out and delay the videos out. And after I clear them out, then I'll make the videos. And we're about to do a sneaker meetup. He hit me up on my Instagram, and sometimes I do buy stuff from people on my Instagram. I just woke up and it's 5 p.m. so let's go ahead and do this deal real quick. Let's see what I get.
We know.
For real?
Yeah, so I've been watching the videos. I saw you just came out and went today.
Jeez, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're picking up these right here. These are size 13, yes sir. You should have seen what I did to the Pure Monies, bro. I brought the backpack.
Yeah, they were kind of yellowing already.
And yeah, I repainted it and shit. And, yeah.
What do you do with the ones with the Royals?
Royal. Oh, they're still at the house, bro. I still haven't like listed all my ones, cause like for tax purposes, I did like too much this year.
Oh yeah.
And then I didn't do it the right way. Like I didn't. What's the ticket on these?
You tell me. I really don't know.
I could do like 70ish. That's the most probably. That's cool.
Yeah, it has an extra lace.
Oh yeah, appreciate that.
Exactly. This is Jubilees. They're DS.
Brand new?
Yeah, size 12.
Retail? What's retail on it?
220, but
plus tax. What's that?
Yeah, I think it was 230, so like 240.
I'll do 240 for it.
Alright, yeah, that's cool.
Sheesh, Jubilees for 240. Let's go. Alright. Hey, can you add that up for me real quick so I can sell it to you? Alright, y'all, so we're gonna do the breakdown. Excuse my face and whatnot. So I bought these for 70 bucks. We're gonna sell these for 100 bucks plus shipping, stuff like that. The bottoms do need a quick cleanup. So the next pair we got is a brand new pair of the Jubilee 11s. Super clean shoe. Bottoms are crazy. I paid retail plus tax. That was like 230 or 240. I paid 240, I think. And then we're gonna dump these to a drug dealer for about $300 because the size 12, there's a few drug dealers that are willing to pay. Next we have is these right here. I didn't even legit check them or anything because I know my guy is good for it. These Fearlesses right here. I've been selling these for like $260-ish around there. I paid about $200 for this one right there. And then it's a pretty clean shoe. You know, none of his shoes are beat, which is amazing. It doesn't come with extra laces or anything. It just comes like this. Has a little hang tag. Oh no, it does come with the extra laces, so that value goes up. And these would be sold at $260 to $280 around there. So we'll make like 60 bucks on this one. And the last shoe we got is these right here. Size 13. These Jordan 4s. The price has steadily been increasing in price all the time. Look at that. Pretty good, amazing shoe. Stars are still there. Paid $80. That's kind of high, but it is a good deal on these right here. So if I pay $80, I can sell this for $140. I just sold the size 9 without a box for $145. So at $140 to $150, I can sell for that price. And now let's see how much profit in total I make. So this is the total profit I could easily make from all 4 pairs. They do need a cleanup, so it's gonna take me about 30 minutes to an hour to clean them up. And to list them also, probably an hour and a half worth of work for $240. Alright, yo, so I'm outside of Plato's Closet. We're gonna go in, see what we can find real quick, and then go somewhere else. The only drip at this Plato's right here, bro. So wanna be Astro World bullshit. So they got these in here for $40. The heel drag is pretty bad, pass on it. We're at the pawnee shoppy. We're gonna go in here and see what we can find. Sheesh, these boys got hella shoes, man, but the music is so loud in here. Let's see what we can find. So let's see these. $70 is not that bad. Not enough profit. This shoe been here for so long, and it's been at 40 bucks for so long. It dropped price to 32 now. But man, that's a steal right there. Let's see what else we can find. These are here. These been here for a minute. The soles are separating and shit like that. And these are not dropped yet in price. Sheesh. We got some, I don't know what these are, Dunks, SBs, whatever these are. It's a good colorway. We got some Forces, some Jordan 1s for $30. Nothing really crazy that's gonna catch your eyes, you feel me? It's just all brick Jordans. I just want to do a quick fit check. I got these baggy pants, some Black Cat 4s. This is a NWA WWE vintage tee. Shop, bro, in a long time, and I already made. This is $100 profit. These sell for $168 and more. Let's go. All right, cool. They want 60 bucks for these. Damn, look at the struggle. Alright, and then let's see. Nothing really good. Alright, this is a good deal right here. $57 for these. Really beat. They need some love, which I don't have time for that shit. $80 for these. All this disgusting shit. Just left the Dollar Tree. Now let's go to the pawn shop, see what we can get. Let me put this back in the car. Let's go. $60 to $50 for these right here. This might have little flaws, or these could be fake. Yeah, these are probably fake right here. These are fake. And then we got these for $65, but they're beat up and stuff. Oh shit, they got a lot of good stuff. I didn't even see it. $44 for these, size 12. Kind of cooked. I'll see if I could do something with them. And then they got those right there. I've been looking for these for a while. Let's see, it's $80. Let's see if they could do like 70 out or something like that. The bottoms are super clean. These will sell. And then they got these foam posits for $100. $86 for these right here. These might be worth some money. I'll look them up. And then they got these for $90. Other than that, it's nothing crazy here. I see the Space Jams right here, but these are fake right here. $90. Boom. Other than that, there's nothing too crazy. Got these mids, $80 tax in. I might look these up, see if I can negotiate for 70 out. Other than that, let's go away. Oh yeah, while I was at the pawn, I found these for only $120. I lowballed them for about $100. I'm gonna get it right now. It's a good seller. It's probably selling for like $200-300 on StockX. Let's see how much it's selling on stock. Let's see how much it's selling on StockX for. Smoke mid, and then it should bring up the men's sizes. Size 13 is selling for $220. So if I get it for 100 bucks, sell it for 150. It's a sought after shoe. The price will just keep only going up. Look at that. From June, it was only $108. Now it's at $200. Let's go. What else for sale besides these?
Yeah, I'll be having a lot of them, man. I got all types of shit. I'm going, man, I had them bitches on like 10 minutes, bro. I can't never find nothing to wear with them.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, these straight. If you got anything else, I'll give you my number. I'll shoot you my number through the app. And then
oh, you be flipping shoes and shit?
Sometimes like that, you know. There's $100. There you go. I'm just recording for my little YouTube channel. Yeah, appreciate that. Alright, yo, I'm at a different pawn shop. Let's see what we can finesse in here. Deal, $100 for red Vapor Maxes. Forces for $45. Yo, $70 for these. These are size 7 though. Also, these are kid shoes too for 50 bucks. But them shits is barely selling. $80 for some mids. Ah, man, this shit's dry right now. Let's see. 50 bucks. They still have the Kobe's here. I'll probably come back when it's like $48 or something and pick them up. Yo, what are these right here, bro? Damn. Comme de Sagron for $280, bro. Comme de Sagron, $280. Crazy. And these for $55. Size 8. I might pick them up.
Yeah, this is a steal. I ain't gonna cap. But these are fake right here, if you could tell. I could tell, but these are fake as hell. Only $55. $55. This is steal if it was real. And you got these for $100. Man, this place is dry. Let's go to the next one. Alright, just pull up to Detail R. They have these. Nothing else to brick flip. I'm getting some Vans. I'll show you guys the Vans, but that's it.
Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys what I copped today. I think we only got 3 pairs of shoes. We're gonna run down through the profit, how much I'm gonna make. It's not a crazy day, it's a Monday, and I woke up at 1 o'clock around that time. That's when we started to head out. Probably at 2, I had to ship a few packages. So 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock, that's 4 hours of work. I think that's 4. So we have these. I bought these for $19.99. These are selling for over, I think, like $55–$60 on eBay. So I'll probably make about 20 bucks on this, and it should be an easy, fast mover. These are 60 bucks retail, and they're selling. I've seen some guys sell them multiple times, so I'm just testing the water out on these. Make easy $20. The next shoe is this right here. $100 profit on this one. If you guys can tell, I should easily be able to sell for $150. It's very, very near dead stock. The bottoms, like there's stars and stuff like that. All they need is a quick wipe down. Should be a easy $150 to $200. So $100 profit on this one. So we're at $120 in profit so far. And mind you, I only worked for 4 hours, and it's a Monday. So typically on Mondays, nothing crazy really happens in stores and stuff like that. And then the last shoe is these right here. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can pick it up. It's the mids. They don't have that much creasing and stuff like that. So I'll put these up for like $160 on eBay, make $60 profit after fees. Probably looking at like $55. So $120 plus $50, let's say that. So it's $170 in profit, around that range. Also, while I was going out sourcing and stuff, I did buy a few pairs through my phone. And I can't really show what I'm buying, just because the marketplaces that I buy from, I don't want to give those out as much as I love to. I already give enough free information out here, so I'm gonna keep my purchases online private, so then you guys don't figure out where I'm buying my stuff. It's not like I don't want to show you guys. It's just that if I do, I'm not gonna make any money, because it's gonna be a lot more competition, and you guys know I'm lazy as hell. I don't do that much work. But anyways, I appreciate everybody for watching this video. Man, make sure to hit that subscribe button, bro. Like this video and shit like that. I never asked for stuff like this, but make sure, please, just tap in and just do the things for me real quick. Appreciate you. Adios.